What up, you guys? Thanks for tuning into another episode of the Country Slicker. Oh. There you go. Now you guys can see. Out today in beautiful BC. We're out in the East Kootenays, so we're headed up Jubilee Mountains. This is one of the first kind of trails. I've been told it's not too hard. I've never actually been here, but we're gonna head up. So Jubilee Mountains, so it's actually an old mine shaft, an old gold and silver mine shaft. It's about 60 kilometers outside of Golden, BC, which is where we just came from. Do have the ZJ out again, JZ, who has grown a little bit, in case you guys haven't noticed. Popped some tires on her, so some Rubicon takeoffs. And obviously we cut up the body a little bit to make that fit, as well as pulled off the front bumpers. So we've actually got a little bit of clearance now, which is great. It's an old gold and silver mining mountain, basically, and at the top there's supposed to be a fire lookout as well, so we're going to try to get there today. I don't know if we'll make it or not. Like I said, I've never been up here, but stay tuned. We're out here by ourselves, no winch, so we're going to take it super conservative today, and if it gets hard, we're going to turn around, and if we make it, we make it. So if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. This Jeep's only going to get bigger, and I'm only going to do stupider stuff with it, so stay tuned and let's go have some fun. Even though it's COVID, I would love to help everybody out, and I'm actually offering custom fender liners now, so you come to me and do it. 500 bucks a pop, I will get you these bad boys. Look at that. Oh yes. Yep. That is the custom pool noodle foamy fender liner, and I'll do it for you. 500 bucks a pop, you bring the pool noodles, and you know what, I'll supply the beer and the expanding foam. Welcome to the top of Jubilee Mountain. This is the fire lookout, and as you can see, it's pretty foggy, so we can't really see anything. but oh my god, so cool to be up here. And I can just, you know, if you can imagine the view. I'd imagine this view is just gorgeous. Excellent day for a drive, really pretty. We made it up here today in the ZJ, so zero lift. We did have 32-inch mud tires. There was a few little puddles on the way up and a couple off-camber situations. So if you're coming up here, make sure you're prepared for that. Next, let's say 6 months, I will get up here and get you some better shots. But for today, what a cool adventure, and thank you for following along. And this is Country Cycler signing off. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay guys, thanks.